Are you a woman leader that wants to stay relevant and competitive in the age of AI? If so, give me 2 minutes. Hey y'all, it is Coach T Renee here. And as we are celebrating International Women's Month or Women's Month, I want to make sure that we don't just celebrate, but that we get leverage. That's exactly why I am hosting my free Don't Get Left Behind with AI Masterclass this Thursday at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Now I know you've been doing the free trainings, the tutorials, and you're like, I'm gonna learn AI when I have time. But you are doing these prompts and you're getting these generic responses, and you're wondering, how do I use AI in my life, in my work, or in my business? That's the exact reason why I am hosting my masterclass, to show you how to train AI, number one. Number two, show you how to use AI in your work, your life, and business. And then number three, how to really monetize AI in your career, your business, or whether you are just building legacy. Listen, AI is powerful and it is going to be used to create generational wealth. And it's happening with or without you. So my motto is no woman left behind. So I need you live in the room with other CEOs, nonprofit leaders, professionals, people that are having to pivot, that have gotten laid off, that are building. Be in the room. We're going to do live AI labs, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to finally connect the dots with AI. And also, stay to the end, and you'll get some live coaching with me on exactly the blind spots or the trouble areas that you're having with AI. All right. So, invitation is open. We have limited seats. It is free. March 12th, this Thursday. 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So do whatever you have to do. Go to lunch, honey, reschedule your meetings, but you want to be in that room live, okay? The energy is going to be off the chart, and you will leave knowing exactly what steps you need to take to leverage AI. Believe me, it'll be the best 60 minutes of your life. Okay? See you Friday. No, Thursday at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right? See you soon. Bye.